Let's see how to set up auto reply in WhatsApp Business to respond instantly and save time when you're away. Let's launch WhatsApp Business. Tap on the Tools tab, scroll down, and enter Away message. First, make sure Send Away Message option is toggled on. Enter the Schedule option. As you can see, you can set the message to send always, 24/7. You can send it only after your business hours, or you can set a custom schedule for different days and different times. We are selecting Always Send. Go back one step and select the recipients. You can set it to send to everyone. You can exclude your contacts from the recipients. You can remove specific person from the list, or reversely, send the message only to specific persons, maybe only to your valued customers to reach them quickly. Although among these four options, exclude my contacts is more preferable, but for this video, we are going to choose everyone. And then, let's go back to the main setting and enter Message section. There's pre-composed messaging here. You can either go with this, or you can write down the exact auto reply depending on the type of business you have, and then hit Save. And that's it. Your auto reply is now set. Thanks for watching till the end.